Alright, let's get this wire ran for that plasma cutter. Ladder. I gotta change a light bulb up there too. Hey Phil.
Yeah?
Can you come hold this ladder?
What?
Can you come hold this ladder?
What for?
So I can run that wire for the plasma cutter? And so I can change this light out?
Can't you just go out by yourself?
I would prefer you to hold the ladder.
Well, give me a second.
Well, what are you doing?
Don't make me lose concentration.
What in the world is he doing? Phil, what are you doing?
I can't hold it much longer.
What do you mean you can't hold out much longer?
I'm gonna blink. Dang it, I lost again.
What do you mean you lost again?
I lost again.
Phil, what are you doing?
I've been having a staring competition with this lizard, but I keep losing. The sucker just won't blink.
That's because it's a sculpture, Phil. They don't blink. And it's the lizard's gaze.
Yeah, I have been gazing into his eyes, but he still won't blink.
There again, Phil. Sculpture.
Oh. So they don't blink?
No, Phil, they don't blink. Now come help me with this wire by holding the ladder.
All right. I'm gonna beat you yet. Okay, let's go.
Phil,